Hi everyone! Today we're diving headfirst into the fabulous feathered flamingo-filled world of, well, flamingos. These tall, pink, one-legged wonders are basically the supermodels of the bird world, but with a lot more flair behind the glam. First off, let's clear up the biggest flamingo myth. They are not born pink. Baby flamingos, called chicks, actually hatch with grayish-white feathers. That cotton candy coloring comes later, thanks to their diet of algae and shrimp that contain beta-carotene. In other words, flamingos are what they eat. If you turned pink from eating too many carrots, you'd basically be a human flamingo. And here's another surprise. Not every flamingo is pink. Depending on their species and diet, some flamingos can appear orange, coral, or even whitish. The more beta-carotene in their food, the brighter the color. So if a flamingo is looking a little pale, don't worry, they're not sick. They just might have had a light lunch. There are 6 species of flamingos, and you can find them from the Caribbean to Africa to South America, even in high-altitude lakes that smell like a science experiment gone wrong. Despite the diva vibe, they're tough birds. Some live in salty, caustic lakes where the water could peel paint off a car, but flamingos? Totally unbothered. Just out there living their Barbie dream life. Now let's talk about the iconic one-legged stance. No, they're not doing yoga or practicing for a flamingo-themed ballet. Scientists believe standing on one leg helps them conserve body heat. They're also surprisingly stable. Flamingos can balance like pros, even while sleeping. Meanwhile, some of us struggle to put on pants without tipping over. And as for the neck, oh, it's definitely a highlight of the flamingo style. It bends like a bendy straw, with 19 vertebrae giving it full-on noodle vibes. That flexibility helps them filter food from muddy water with their upside-down beaks, which, yes, are built specifically to eat while their heads are upside down. Imagine trying to eat cereal while doing a handstand, and you'll appreciate the skill. Flamingos are also super social. We're talking thousands of birds all chilling together in massive flocks, appropriately called a flamboyance. Yes, really, a flamboyance of flamingos. And when it's time to find a mate? Oh, they bring the moves. Flamingos perform synchronized group dances, head flagging, wing flapping, and what can only be described as birdie conga lines. It's the ultimate dating show meets flash mob. Speaking of fabulous bird behavior, let's talk parenting. Both mom and dad flamingo feed their chick something called crop milk, a weird but nutrient-rich red fluid they produce in their throats, which can also be a bit messy. And yes, it's red. Because flamingos don't do anything halfway. Even their baby food has pizzazz. So, why are we celebrating them today? Because April 26th is International Flamingo Day, created to raise awareness about flamingo conservation and their habitats. Pollution, habitat loss, and climate change are threatening many of their ecosystems. So, while they may look like party animals, flamingos need a little help keeping the fiesta alive. But flamingos aren't just here to look fabulous. They're also ecosystem MVPs and play an important role in the ecosystems they call home. As they stir up mud while feeding, they help cycle nutrients and keep their wetland habitats healthy. Their movements support other aquatic life and can even help prevent harmful algae from taking over. And yes, even their droppings contribute by fertilizing the water. Talk about doing your part with style. Overall, though, they're elegant, goofy, and tougher than they look. Like if a ballerina and a construction worker had a bird baby. Flamingos are living proof that being unique is wonderful. Don't forget to give a nod to your neighborhood flamingo, or at least wear pink this International Flamingo Day. And if you ever feel like you're standing out in a crowd, just remember, that's exactly what flamingos do best. Thanks for watching.